We live in a world where the greatest contributions of humanity have also caused this terrible problem: pollution. When it comes to air pollution, it's easy to downplay its impact on our lives. The scary thing is, whether you see it or not, it's there. Not just in developing countries, but in all of our homes, neighborhoods, and cities. An MIT study found that air pollution contributes to 10% of deaths in America. And it isn't just an outdoor problem. In fact, indoors, where we spend 80% of our time, can be up to 5 times worse than outdoors. Do you experience headaches, fatigue, or high blood pressure? Studies show these may be symptoms of poor air quality, either from air pollution or a lack of ventilation. And the impact on children can be huge, from weakened immune systems and difficulty concentrating to the early development of asthma. That's why we came together to develop the world's smartest air quality monitor, to provide you all of the air quality information you need to optimize health and well-being.
Every day, we take 20,000 breaths of air, and yet we don't even know what we are bringing into our body. So we sat down with some of the brightest people from various fields, such as laser technology, cloud computing, big data, artificial intelligence, to create the world's smartest air quality monitor that give you both the indoor and outdoor air quality information that you need to protect yourself and your loved ones. We use a high-precision laser to analyze every single air pollution particle in the air in order to provide you with an air quality visual that's matching the very strict US EPA standards. We then connect this to our existing platform that processes 100 million data points per day. The result is an incredibly powerful tool that delivers historical, real-time, and forecast air quality information.
The information provided by the monitor allows you to take the proper actions to get clean and fresh air. Use the device to find sources and solutions to your indoor air pollution. The historical data graph will tell you if the air purifying method you put into place is working. The monitor uses both particulate and CO2 sensors to help you achieve the perfect balance between pure and recycled air. Plan ahead with the monitor's 3-day air quality forecast. But not only is the airvisual monitor perfect for monitoring indoor environments, it's great for monitoring outdoor environments as well. When you identify your monitor as a public outdoor station, you become a contributing member to airvisual's global air pollution network. This information can be downloaded and manipulated by community members to track air pollution sources, trends, and movements.
We have a solution to the air pollution problem. The key is in developing a self-learning network. Currently, we report 8,000 stations worldwide, but it's not enough. Your contribution grows the network and provides the information needed to affect change. After a year of development, our prototype is ready for production. Now, we need you to become part of the solution. Whether you use your device outdoors or indoors, your support makes the world a better and healthier place.
Hello again, Navdy.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdy. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdy is that...
Faster route found. Automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. I'm gonna switch to Navdy Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdy is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdy uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdy. See you soon.